In today's video, you will learn how to make strong your immune system. This is very important and necessary because of what is happening all over the world as the coronavirus pandemic is ravaging countries all over. So, do these simple natural tips to strengthen your system to protect your body against other diseases too. The human body is constantly under attack from millions of microorganisms with which we share the planet. Which is why it is important not to take your immune system for granted. What can you do to help keep your immune system healthy and ready to shield your body from infection? To answer this question, Shaklee Corporation recently formed the Center for Immune Research, which offers these important tips. 1. Find ways to relax. Because stress produces many different effects on the endocrine systems, scientists believe that immune function may be diminished by chronic stresses. There are a number of techniques to help you relax, such as deep breathing or yoga, which can reduce mental and physical stress as well as lower blood pressure and slow down your heart rate. 2. Sleep matters. Besides leaving you feeling sluggish, irritable, and forgetful, not getting enough sleep can temporarily reduce the activity of certain cells in your immune system by up to 50%. Strive to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. 3. Feed your immune system well. Not getting enough calories and getting too much dietary fat may weaken the immune response. This is one important reason why nutritionists recommend a well-balanced diet that includes plenty of fruit, vegetables, low-fat dairy products, and whole grains. 4. Get physically active. Regular exercise helps to strengthen your immune system, cardiovascular system, heart, muscles, and bones. Being active also stimulates the release of endorphins, improves concentration and other mental functioning, lowers cholesterol and blood pressure, and may lower cortisol and other stress hormones. 5. Learn about interferon. Although most Americans and Africans have never heard of interferon, this natural protein helps protect the body from daily exposure to millions of germs that can lead to serious infection. Activated when an invading virus attacks a cell, interferon signals neighboring cells into action and trigger their resistance mechanisms. Interferon also activates other immune cells that kill invading pathogens. Because interferon plays such an important role in immune health, Shaklee Corporation is raising awareness about Nutriferon, a new dietary supplement that naturally increases the body's production of its own interferon. The Japanese scientist who originally discovered the existence of interferon in the body drive, Yasuhiko Kojima at Tokyo University, developed Nutriferon after more than 40 years of research on natural interferon-inducing compounds. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends, and also leave a comment below that you have subscribed to this channel. Thanks for watching.